I watch my little brother and my son sometimes. Well,
Your son? You got a son? What are you, 18, you? You're 17, you got a kid? Oh, my Lord. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication.
In the pursuit of truth, we analyze the law. This is Justice Clash 24.
A woman appeared in court for an old DWI case. Then the judge learned she already had another open DWI and immediately tightened the restrictions.
He has a couple priors out of county, but his only felony here is that. Sorry.
Got it. Okay. What is your name, ma'am?
Jessica.
That last name.
Garza, page 10.
This is an old case. This case is 200 days old. Do you have a lawyer today, Ms. Garza?
No.
It's time to decide now what we do with your case. We're going to do probable cause first to see whether there's probable cause to go forward. After that, I'm getting you a lawyer today. Your case is so old, we figure out what happens today. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews with the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, man. You also have the unlawful carrying, so on that one, you're facing up to a year in jail. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. On October 14, 2023, officer observed a tan sedan driving eastbound on Berry Road, make a wide right turn and drive straight into the ditch on Meta Street. Officer observed defendant get out of her vehicle and attempted to push her car out of the ditch, then get back in her car and attempt to drive out of the ditch. Officer approached defendant and observed
Strong odors of alcoholic beverage, red glossy eyes, slurred speech.
defendant unable to walk on her own, falling on the patrol vehicle. Defendant, she started drinking, apologize, Your Honor, at 7:20 p.m. that night. Standard field sobriety test was refused. During an inventory of the defendant's car, officer found empty Tamala vodka behind the passenger seat, 2 Bud Light 20-ounce cans on the ground outside of the driver's side door, 1 cup of a mixed drink in the center console that was 3/4 full. Officers also found a pink Lady Charter Arms handgun revolver, .38 caliber in the driver's side door, not in a holster, loaded with 5 rounds. And that's the extent of the.
I would hope that you know that it's damn near elementary not to have alcohol in the car while you're driving. That allegation in and of itself makes it a minimum of 5 days in jail if they have alleged in your case. It is further presented that at the time the defendant committed the offense of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated, as here and above alleged, committed on or about October 14th of 2023, he had an open container of an alcoholic beverage in his immediate possession in the passenger compartment of said motor vehicle. Minimum of 5 days. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication. I don't know if you're walking out of here today, but if you do, you will get a scram on your ankle, and I'm putting a GPS monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. So first things first, I don't know if we're going to have a reset, so I'm going to have you take a seat in the jury box. I'm going to give you a lawyer today, and we find out what happens, man.
Oh,
Take a
Judge,
seat.
also, at the time of criminal history was pulling up, she has an open DWI at Brown Ferry.
She has an open DWI where?
Brown Perry.
Brown Ferry, it's April 7th, 2023. So she's on bond for DWI at that point.
Wonderful.
So I just saw it, but we didn't put it in the.
How many more DWIs does she have?
That's correct. That's it.
I am taking the
Stop.
classes.
Don't say anything at this point. Just please take a seat for me in the jury box. Good morning, Ms. Cole.
Hi.
How are you? How's jail?
Huh?
How's jail?
Horrible.
Good. I hope it's the most miserable experience that you ever have, because the problem is we are now back yet on another fugitive case.
and some, as you know, I was in the hospital last month, so I didn't even know it at all. So I'm ready.
Okay, your son. Good morning. How are you? So what's your schedule? What are you doing with yourself these days?
Like, what do I
Do
do?
you go to school?
Currently I'm doing on like, I'm trying to work on getting my GED and stuff done. And I'm
That would be a
applying for jobs.
very good move, because I'm telling you, if at the minimum you don't get your GED, you'll be working for pennies on the dollar for the rest of your life. You'll make nothing if you don't, at the very minimum, have a high school diploma. I swear to you, the amount of bums we see here that go in and out of jail, it's because of one reason. They ain't got no money. And when you have no money, your life is miserable. I promise you. At the minimum, you got to get your high school diploma. I'm making that a condition of your bond now as well. So if you don't, you'll be stuck with me, and I'm going to make you get it in jail. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So Shreya, we need to work on making sure that Mr. Coates gets it.
About the GED stuff.
So aside from that, what else are you doing with your life?
Time-wise, all day, wake up, who do you take care of, what do you do?
I wake up, I watch my little brother and my son sometimes. Well,
Your son?
sure.
You got a son? What are you, 18, you? You're 17, you got a kid?
Sure.
Oh, my Lord.
Police say she drove into a ditch while intoxicated. Officers allegedly found alcohol containers and a loaded revolver. Then the judge discovered another pending DWI case. The hearing took a dramatic turn.
Babies having babies. What else do you do?
I wake up, I watch them when my mom doesn't take them to daycare.
Mom or aunt?
Well, aunt.
Okay.
I watch them all day.
What
And
age
that's pretty
children?
much it. My little brother is 3 years old and my son is currently 1.
Is your brother the 3-year-old, is that the foster child that your aunt talks about?
Yes.
Okay.
What about the baby's mother? Who is it?
She ran away.
So you've got custody of the kid. Don't have any more kids, Mr. Coates. Keep it in your pants for now, because you're only messing up your life even more. Don't have any more kids.
Sure.
We need to work on you getting your life stable so that you can make a stable life for this baby. This is a little person that needs food, it needs clothes, it needs guidance from an adult. You're not an adult.
Sure.
We need to work to get you there.
Yes, sir.
We want to talk about your bond violations. Why? I know that one time you said because you were like eating and you mapped out your bus route. And I appreciate that you have to eat.
Are you working?
No, I'm currently finna get a job. I'm finna go work at the Dave's Hot Chicken. It's Westheimer. I'm finna go.
So why are you late coming home?
The bus is like a 2-hour bus ride to get back to my house, sir. I live almost in Katy.
Where are you going that's requiring you to stay out late?
So he was at court that day, I think till about what, 1 p.m.?
I was at court
2 p.m.
till
The urine
1:30 to
analysis.
2.
Right here?
Yes,
Okay.
that was the first PDR.
But I know it doesn't take from 1 to 9 o'clock to get home.
Oh, no. The 8 o'clock one, I was at a funeral, sir.
No, there was 2. And we haven't approached since. So let's talk first about the first one, which is the court date that you were here. You also gave your analysis. And that one took a little bit longer. We'll talk about the funeral, which was last weekend, just soon. But he said that he was taking your analysis. He went on the bus that takes 2 hours to get home, but that he got off to go eat Chick-fil-A and then got back on the bus. And when the bus stops, it takes him how long to walk from the bus stop to his house?
It's a 30-minute bus walk. From the bus stop to my house is 30
So
minutes.
those are important facts. So it was like about 2.5 hours of travel time plus food time after he did your analysis, which is why he was late.
What do we have it now at 7 p.m.?
7 p.m. So it's just like a couple of things. It was like 7:45.
Let's switch it to 9.
But you understand, that doesn't mean like cut it close, like, cause like, 9:04, we're getting notices.
I'm not gonna, if you're past 9, I'm gonna put you over my knee and I'm gonna spank you with a ton of jail time, Mr. Coates. Do you understand?
Yes,
I
sir.
don't want any more issues. And what I want to do now is I want to see you get your diploma. First things first. You're not doing anything now. The only thing that you need to be concentrating on is getting your diploma.
Yes, sir.
So what are you how are we going to do that? What's the next step?
I gotta do it online. I gotta register for the classes.
Okay, so I'm setting the case out 2 weeks and I want to see that he's registered for the classes. Shreya, I need proof. If you don't, I'm going to keep you. Do you understand, Mr. Coates? I want registration. I want to see what classes you're taking. I want the class schedule.
Yes, sir.
And then after I see what your schedule is, we're going to craft a study curriculum for you so that you can pass this thing.
Yes, sir.
Do you need books?
No, sir. The main thing I would need is math because I hate math. So like calculators and stuff like that.
You have money for that.
I could arrange something with my aunt.
Put in for like investigation fees or something like that, perhaps?
I can do social
Can maybe
work.
can you
Math
find
and
out?
Social work. So I actually think with him, I was gonna do that. I'm gonna set him up with a
Please.
social worker who's gonna contact you and help you sort of with any resources you need.
Can we get maybe like a tutor too, or no? Is that possible?
I don't think that's. But I'll ask.
Ask. If not, maybe we can creatively do something to,
I'll talk to the MAC about like, 'cause they should be working on it.
I want your schedule. You have 2 weeks.
Yes,
I
sir.
want to see what you've done. If you've done nothing, I promise you're going to stay with me, Mr. Coates, and I'm going to make you learn in jail.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Yes, sir.
One way or the other, we're going to get this diploma.
Yes, sir.
Okay? All right, bud.
I mean, I don't know. There.
He's back. Come up. So you have, case is 200 days. I'd like to know what she wants to do.
I just talked to Chief about this, Your Honor. I'm aware that the cases are older. She also has a pending DWI standard,
Correct.
but I don't know how this would affect what's going on up there. All I know is she's taking five.
Look, to me, it don't matter. She took off for 200 days. That's time that she could have been preparing all this stuff. So to me, if you want, I'll give you 2 weeks, but it's clear trial at the next city. And then in the interim now, I'm going to order her not to drive. I'm going to give her a curfew and I don't want her out in the middle of the night. And I'm putting a scram on her ankle. She's got an open DWI. She's, a walking liability. Come up, ma'am. Ms. Garza, I am now taking away your privilege to drive. You will be signing an affidavit right now promising me that you're not going to drive. If I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You'll be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every time you get in a car and drive. I'm also putting an ankle monitor so I know where you are at all times, and I'm giving you a curfew from 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. You are not allowed out. You have an open DWI.
What about work? I work.
It's not my problem. You have picked up a DWI while you have another DWI. The only thing I want is not you out at night because it's a potential liability.
I help with my mom's restaurant.
Not only that, I'm now giving you 2 weeks to determine what you want to do in this case. It would behoove you to meet with Sonia to figure out what you guys want to do. In 2 weeks, you must be back here and let me know you want to accept a plea bargain agreement from the state, or I will set your case for trial. Yeah, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So you got everything, right? Okay. No consuming alcohol, no drugs. You're gonna be randomly tested, and then we'll go from there, and we'll see you in 2 weeks. All right, come on up this way, please.
Ma'am?
For more real courtroom breakdowns, subscribe now, because every decision has consequences. One old DWI case suddenly became much more serious, and the judge wasn't taking any chances.